Okay, we're back at it. What I'm doing here is I'm selecting that things that I want to look at as live data, and there's stuff in here that's calculated time. Well, look at this stuff, just gets to be amazing. Type of fuel currently being utilized by the vehicle. Vehicle speed sensor, we did that before. Time since engine started, and let's do a OK. So there it is. There's the data. So engine coolant temperature is 195.8. We've got the RPM. 100% is the fuel level input. It was at 17% before I filled up. There's the ignition timing. You can see that bounce around because the computer's controlling it. Location of the oxygen sensor. We got bank 1 sensor S12. I don't know what that means. And bank 2 is S nothing. Malfunction indicator lamp. So that's your MIL. So that comes in to play when you have, that's the money light. So if somebody's disabled it, you would be able to know that it was on using this scanner to tell. There's the timer. Time since engine start, which was at the gas station, was 546 seconds. Type of fuel, well, gas. Okay, so what does that do if we click on that? Is there anything hiding in depth? No, there's nothing there. I didn't think there would be. We'll go back, and then we'll go to, what does this do? Oh, there you go. So it goes, it's kind of different than the other one that I had. Now for the Hyundai, the 05, the cheapy one I had, I think it was like $80 for a scanner, and it did fine. There was nothing there at all to there wasn't much data, because that was in 2005, is an old OBD2 system with not a lot going on in the computer. Obviously this is a 2015, move forward 10 years and you get more. So you can just go into, well, I guess we're going there. It's a stable reading, which it should be, 100% fuel level. I mean, you can just play with this thing and then go deeper and deeper. So we'll go here. We'll graph the engine RPM, so you can see. Let's see, when I hit the throttle, there it goes. Changes the scaling. I mean, what? Got your temperature. I got to go in the home settings and see if I can set this back. So basically, all I'm doing is I can do a report. There's a visual of the report that would get sent. Sorry about the glare. Nothing. Green checkup. So you can save that as a PDF. So it's doing saving the diagnostic report. So there's all the info there. So I can hit the share button. I can send it by Bluetooth. I can select my phone. Power it up. Never mind. Hello, anyway, yeah, so this is what the PDF looks like on the Kingbolen S500, and this is what it looks like when it's emailed to you. So it's kind of cool. And it gives you all the information that you captured. So that's all that I captured in that one little test, and there it is. So I hope you guys liked the video. It wasn't any problem solving, because I don't know if you'd say unfortunately, but fortunately there was no problems to solve, so we're all good. So like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back often, and thanks for tuning in. So that's a copy of the PDF. That's what it looks like. You can email that to yourself like I did. This is what you would get. Viewer report. Click on that, and it downloads a PDF. Where it's supposed to. What are we doing here? Hold on. Okay, what's going on there. Of course.
Water, we're not peeing.
So there it is there.